we recently played some pickleball with our families, and so we had to get our own set so we could play at home as well. So this is a perfect for beginners or people who have maybe played a little bit but haven't like fully established themselves in the pickleball world. So this comes with a nice little carrying pack, padded on the back, so it's nice and comfy, and you get 2 paddles in here. And I think these are just like the cutest pattern. We've got the ones with the dogs and on the back is this pattern. These are fiberglass and they have a really nice comfy grip here. And then in your set you also get 2 of these yellow outdoor balls, and then you get 2 of these white indoor balls. So you have an option to however like the courts are in your area. And then you also get some extra handle grip tape in here as well, so that if anything ever happens, you can do a quick repair yourself. So between the cute organizer bag, the paddles, the balls, you are all set and ready to get started on your pickleball game.